Hey, Chris Menard here. In Excel today, I'm going to look at conditional formatting, and I'm going to use conditional formatting to find a number that's over something. But instead of using conditional formatting the way I see most Excel users work with this, I'm going to use mixed and absolute reference, and this is the better way to do it. Both will give you the correct answer, just to be clear. Let's go ahead and take a look at this file right now. Column H is all I care about because I'm looking for numbers over 6,000. I happen to be in H2, Control-Shift down arrow, selected all the numbers. I'm on the Home tab. Here is conditional formatting, one of the most powerful features in Excel. Highlight cells rules, and there is greater than. Put in the number 6,000. I don't care what background color and font color you use, but click OK. And there are all the numbers over 6,000. If you want to test this, change H2 to 7,000, press enter, and it picks it up. I'm going to undo that one time just to get it back where it was. I do want to point out that because we said greater than 6,000, the number 6,000 did not get included with the conditional formatting. I want to remove the conditional formatting. This is all that I'm using on this worksheet. That would be conditional formatting, clear rules, and clear rules from the entire sheet. If you had other conditional formatting working on this worksheet, you would highlight and do clear rules from selected cells. But entire sheet works. So here we go. I need to put the number 6,000 somewhere on my spreadsheet. Purchases over. Make sure the number 6,000 is in a cell by itself. I added the comma and reduced the decimals. There you go. Purchases over 6,000. Here we go. Same rules. Go to H2, Control-Shift down arrow. We got them all selected. We're going to use both mixed reference and absolute reference on this. Conditional formatting, highlight cells rules is not any good for us right here. I want to go and create a new rule. I'm going to use a formula to determine which cells, and the formula is going to be equal $H2. That is your mixed reference. There's only one $sign in there. I'm freezing column H, but the rows can change. Greater than, if you want to include the 6,000, add equal. Greater than or equal to, I do want to include the 6,000. I'm going to select cell K1. I could have typed in $K, $1. That is absolute reference. So H2 is mixed, K1 is absolute reference. I don't want K1 to move when this thing works its way down column H. Go to Format, pick a color, I don't care. I picked green on the Fill tab. I'll go back there one more time. Format, Fill tab, you got 4 tabs. Hit OK, click OK, and if you notice, the 6,000 got picked up because I said greater than or equal to. I should probably change J1, by the way, to purchases equal to or over 6,000. I'm not going to worry about that. What is better about this method? Both methods work, by the way. What is better about this method? If you're the only one working on the spreadsheet, you probably know what conditional formatting you set up when you're looking at those colors. But if someone else doesn't see this right here, because it wasn't initially here, you don't know really what the conditional formatting is doing. But now it's very clear that I'm looking for purchases over 6,000. The other cool feature of this one is if I want to change this, let's go make this 5,500. Watch this. We get a lot more. So I can just change this one cell, K1, and the conditional formatting picks up. This is a much better way to do this. I appreciate your time. Feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel. My Excel classes are available online, including my Teams classes. Hope you have a great day.